I'm tracking Category 4 Hurricane Helene set to make landfall, imminent, Big Bend, Florida. This hasn't happened since back in the 1800s. It will be a catastrophic hurricane. Deadly storm surge, wind, and flooding. These impacts felt far outside the cone because of the size of this storm. Tallahassee radar right now showing the northern eye wall coming into view, with its eyes set just southeast of Tallahassee on Big Bend. The northern eye wall showing the convection, the coldest cloud tops being picked up by the infrared satellite, a sign the storm is still strengthening. The wind from Helene has now covered almost the entire Florida peninsula. That's how big the storm has gotten, and it will get bigger as it pushes north and makes that landfall very soon. Tropics Tracker shows that eye wall becoming clear, another sign of strengthening. The storm is going to be a strong Category 4, devastating for the Big Bend area southeast of Tallahassee, just east of the Florida Panhandle. The northeast quadrant of the storm is where that storm is going to intensify, and they will see the worst of it, especially as far as storm surge and wind goes. Look at the wind history from the storm, covering all of the Florida Peninsula, just about, except for Miami, all the way back to the Florida Panhandle. Storm surge is going to be devastating, 15 to 20 feet of the ocean coming on shore. The inner core of this storm has contracted significantly today, and tropical storm force winds have expanded. It's also moved faster, meaning it's going to bring more impacts inland. This will not just be a coastal storm. Impacts all the way up to North Carolina and the upstate of South Carolina. They haven't seen flooding like this since back in the early 1900s.